Good evening. Today is Tuesday, October 17, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Here are the STL Swear 3 7 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advanced Incorporated for Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.